good morning and welcome to Vlogmas day 13, I believe. I just woke up. I am gonna wash my face, or shower, I don't even know. But right now I'm editing. I'm trying to get my video up from yesterday. So that's what I'm doing right now. But I just wanted to pop in, say good morning, happy Vlogmas, day 13. And yeah, guys, it's probably gonna be another chill day, another cozy day at home. But you know, that's just how it is. You know, it's my daily life, so that's, you know, you're gonna just see what I do on the daily. So sometimes it's not gonna be, you know, Monterey or ice skating. You know, it's just my daily life. So yeah, guys, I am just gonna continue trying to get this vlog up. And yeah, good morning. Okay guys, I'm gonna have me another one of these things I made for last night. Pita bread. It's like a little pizza. And I'm just watching some Tara Michelle Vlogmas. So I'm gonna eat this, guys. This for my lunch. Alright guys, I was giving the dogs their treats. And just this, look at this. Hold on. Speak? Speak? Normally there's no noise that comes out. So, hold on. This is so funny. Okay, hold on. Give me give me paw. Give me paws. Give me paw. Okay. Okay. And you too. There you go. Okay, Leia, speak. Oh god. Can I have a paw? Can I have a paw? Can you guys, wait. Back up. Back up. Sit. No, you can't have none until you sit. Are you gonna sit? Sit. No, sit. Good girl. Speak, Leia. Oh, she took all of it. Okay. Paw? Paw. Good girl. Thank you. What a good girl. Can I have a paw? Okay. That's all. That's all, girls. That's all. Oh my goodness. She wants more. She wants more. Leia, speak. Speak. Good girl. Guys, so today is going to be like a somewhat lazy day. I don't really have much planned. So I thought I'd do my Christmas nails because I don't have any nails on right now. So I'm just going to have all my little stuff here. This is a box of gel polish. I got my drill. I got my box of stuff. I just have everything. So I am going to, even my little art brushes, so I can do some designs if I wanted. I don't know what the plan is for my nails. I'm just going to get them on for right now and figure out design when I get closer to being done. This usually takes me all day, guys, so this is probably what I'm going to spend the rest of my day doing, honestly. I'm not no professional. I can't, you know, so it takes me a lot longer to do. So yeah, I am going to do that now. Get started. It is, let's see, 11:05 right now. So yeah, I probably won't get done till way late tonight. So plus I stop because I look at Pinterest sometimes to see like what designs I should do. So, you know, yeah, I'm just gonna get my nails on, get them going, and I will catch you guys in a bit. Okay guys, and this is what they are looking like. As you can see, I made a mess. But these are them. I have these little snowflake, oh my goodness, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this. snowflakes on them. Some glitter. I obviously have to do my other hand. But this is the one done, so I'm gonna get to doing the other one. And let's see how long that took me. So it is 3:21 right now. So yeah, it took me a long time, but these are them. Holiday nails. Alright, I'm gonna get to doing my other hand now. Hey guys, so I haven't picked up the camera since doing my nails, but yeah, so we're gonna go try some hot chocolate at some place my mom found online. She said it looked really nice, so we're gonna go do that. So we'll be on the way. So I had to get myself ready. Just threw some makeup on. And yeah, I got myself ready so we can go. So yeah, I'm just waiting for them and we will be off. Okay guys, so we made it. They are closing, but they are gonna let us come in and get something. So we're gonna go in. Hi.
Chocolate drink is kind of like drinking off the chocolate bar.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yes.
What was that one?
Drinking chocolate,
The sipping
Aztec,
Oh,
white chocolate, and sipping chocolate.
Okay, I want the sipping chocolate.
I'll take the sipping.
I'll get
Guys,
the
this is so
Aztec one.
cute.
Yeah, small or large?
Large.
And 2 sipping chocolate?
Yes. Those are both hot, right? Those are
Yes, the way we make it hot, and you only get a little bit of it because it is so thick and rich,
Yeah.
but it is very good.
Oh, okay. Look at this, guys. How cute. Real chocolate made from scratch. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. It's thick. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try it.
I don't mind.
Ooh. Yeah, I see. What you're saying. It is very bitter, but it's good. And my mom did end up getting something from there as well. It is, let's see, It is the 100% cocoa ground chocolate to make your own hot chocolate. Oops. Yeah, guys. You guys made it into Smart and Final. Look at these little Grinch looking trees. Alright guys, we're in the 99-cent store. They even have a big one, guys. Whoa! Alright guys, so that is going to conclude Vlogmas Day 13. Sorry I didn't get much footage yet again. But doing my nails, these things literally took me like 4.5 hours, probably 5. So yeah. But I might combine days because, you know, I didn't get much today, so I might combine day 14 with this, so I don't know yet. I'll see how tomorrow looks, guys, but thank you for tuning in for Vlogmas Day 13. You guys have a good night. Morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 14. My mom just gave me some hot cocoa she made. So cute. So yeah, I am just gonna get ready for the day. Have my hot cocoa. So yeah, I'm just saying hi to the vlog. So I'm gonna drink this and then get ready for the day, guys. Hey guys, good afternoon. I'm in the same spot that I was in earlier, because my little gremlin, this right here, laying down, she hasn't been feeling well today. So she's just been wanting her mommy. So I've been with her, hanging out with her. She did throw up twice. I don't know. Someone got into the trash can yesterday. I don't know if it was Leia or her, but it's looking like it was this one. So yeah, I've just been lounging, cuddling her, and just, yeah, spending time with her. She just really wants me. But she's not feeling too good. She's just like a kid. She wants to be cuddled, and she wants to feel me next to her. So yeah, I'm just with her right now. I'm just having a chill day, honestly. I am gonna cook later, some dinner. She might lay in the kitchen and wait for me to come back to the room. She's just been my little shadow today, so I'm just, you know, spending time with my gremlin. And not gonna lie, it's pretty, relaxing. I love when she's cuddly like this, because sometimes, she doesn't want to cuddle me. She wants to cuddle her grandma or her grandpa Mario. So, yeah, but she's with me, so I'm just enjoying it. And we're just been watching Vlogmas, and I'm about to put a movie on. So, yeah, guys, I'm sorry I didn't pick up the camera. My little gremlin's just been not feeling well. She's just sleeping. She's just asleep. Oh, baby. She's not feeling good. My little princess. So, so yeah, guys, I'm sorry. But I'm just being a fur mama and taking care of the gremlin. So, I will pick you guys up a little later. I'm just gonna cuddle with her and relax till it's time for dinner, to make dinner. So, yeah, guys. Guys, she's just perfect. My little old lady. I love her. Look at the little snout. Look at this face. Oh, sleepy puppy. The sleepy puppy. She's so stinking cute. Guys, so I'm just starting to cook dinner. I have some oil in a pan. Cook up my chicken. I got a pot of water. I'm gonna turn this up actually, so it could start to boil. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this cook up. Cooking up nice. Okay guys, what do you call that boiling? When just tiny little bubbles are coming up. I'm so impatient. I just want to throw them in right now. Ooh, that was the ice machine. Anyway, I think I'm just gonna throw them in now because I'm a little impatient. So, throwing her in. Puppy's going. Pasta cooking up. About to take maybe the back ones off. Don't want them to burn. Okay, chicken is done and off. I cut up some sun-dried tomatoes, but now I'm just gonna put my heavy cream and stuff in the pan. I honestly don't know what I'm doing, but we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, I added some pasta water to the pan. Now I'm gonna add my heavy cream. Hopefully it tastes okay and don't taste burnt. I don't know, but I might add some more water to this. Yeah, I'm gonna add also Parmesan cheese and maybe Monterey Jack. I'm not sure, but yeah. Okay, I added some Parmesan and Jack cheese, and I just added the sun-dried tomatoes. So I'm just mixing this up so it gets thick. Oh, I also gotta add spinach. Hold on. Guys, so yeah, I added the spinach now. I'm gonna let this wilt down into the sauce. Yummy. I honestly think I might need a little more sauce. for all this pasta I have. Oh no. Okay guys, I ended up putting a little cream cheese in there as well. So yeah, the sauce is done. Guys, this is it done. Pasta. Alright guys, so I just got done eating dinner, making dinner and eating dinner. So yeah, I'm just gonna relax now. I'll probably put on a Christmas movie and hang out with my little gremlin. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I've never made that pasta before, but it was really, really good. So I will be making that again. That was delicious. I'm kind of sweaty now, though. But, yeah, I'm just gonna chill and relax for a little while. Okay, guys, so, I was gonna put a Christmas movie on, but I decided to watch White Lotus because I've been hearing people talk about it. So, I will be, yeah, watching this. I've never seen it before, so I'm starting from season 1. So yeah, I'm gonna see what this is about. If I don't like it, then I'm gonna turn on a Christmas movie. Alright guys, it looks like I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm really tired and I gotta get what little footage I have edited and stuff, so and get that up for you. So I am gonna combine, I think, day 13 with day 14. Just because I didn't get much footage yesterday either, but yeah guys, I'm just, gonna relax for the rest of the night. There's really not much to film or record, so I'm just watching REM Life right now. Vlogmas day 6 of hers that she posted. I'm a little behind on catching up with everybody's Vlogmases as well, so yeah, I'm just doing that. So I will catch you guys a little later, or for tomorrow. Yeah, I'm not even making sense right now because I am tired. So yeah, I will catch you tomorrow for Vlogmas day 15, guys.